Vital concepts of big data and Hadoop. We will explore the vital concepts of big data and Hadoop, uncovering the key components that make this technology so essential in the world of data analytics and processing. Big data refers to the vast volume of structured and unstructured data that is generated at a high velocity and requires innovative forms of processing for insights and decision-making. Key concepts of big data and Hadoop. Data processing. Big data technologies like Hadoop enable organizations to process large amounts of data quickly and efficiently. This is essential for tasks such as data cleansing, transformation, and analysis. Data analysis. Hadoop allows for sophisticated data analysis techniques, such as machine learning and real-time analytics, to be applied to large data sets. This helps organizations uncover valuable insights and trends from their data. Distributed computing. Hadoop uses a distributed computing model, where data is processed in parallel across multiple nodes in a cluster. This enables faster processing speeds and increased scalability. Data storage. HDFS, the storage component of Hadoop, allows organizations to store vast amounts of data across multiple nodes in a cluster. This provides redundancy and fault tolerance, ensuring data integrity. Data management. Hadoop offers tools for data management, such as data retrieval, data visualization, and data integration. These tools help organizations make sense of their data and derive actionable insights. Real-time analytics. Hadoop enables real-time analytics by processing data as it is generated, rather than in batch processes. This allows organizations to make immediate decisions based on up-to-date information. Conclusion. In conclusion, the vital concepts of big data and Hadoop are essential for organizations looking to harness the power of data in today's digital age.